Digital pianos have surged in popularity as more musicians seek the feel and sound of an acoustic piano without the bulk or maintenance. With the growing demand, the market offers models appealing to beginners, intermediate players, and even professionals. This guide evaluates each piano based on key action.
List number 1. The Yamaha P225B 88-key weighted action digital piano. The Yamaha P225B stands out as a premium choice for pianists seeking the authentic feel of an acoustic piano in a digital format. With 88 fully weighted keys, it replicates the dynamic touch response of traditional pianos, offering smooth control for expressive performances. The sound engine produces rich, resonant tones with a variety of instrument voices, making it suitable for both classical and contemporary music styles. Its sleek design is compact yet elegant, fitting comfortably in home studios or small practice spaces. Build quality is excellent, with durable keys and a solid chassis that can withstand years of consistent playing. Yamaha's renowned craftsmanship ensures reliability and precision, which is why it's often recommended for serious learners and professional musicians. Additional features include dual headphone outputs, recording capabilities, and connectivity options for MIDI and USB, making it versatile for recording or integrating with music software. Though priced higher than some entry-level digital pianos, the P225B offers exceptional value for those who want performance and authenticity in one instrument.
List number 2. Roland FP10 Compact 88-note digital piano, super natural piano tones, authentic acoustic feel keyboard. Roland's FP10 brings professional-grade performance into a compact, affordable package. Featuring 88 fully weighted keys with Roland's PHA-4 standard action, the FP10 mimics the touch and feel of an acoustic piano superbly. The supernatural piano sound engine produces expressive tones that respond naturally to your playing dynamics. The FP10 is ideal for small spaces due to its minimalist footprint while maintaining high-quality performance. Build quality is robust for its class, with a solid key mechanism and stable body, making it reliable for daily practice. Its compact design doesn't compromise sound or playability, and the onboard Bluetooth MIDI connectivity opens up options for practice apps and recording software. Despite being one of Roland's entry-level models, it includes valuable features such as headphone support, dual and split keyboard modes, and adjustable touch sensitivity. This combination makes it an excellent option for beginners seeking a
List number 3. Best Choice Products 88-key weighted full-size digital piano. The Best Choice Products 88-key weighted digital piano provides a budget-friendly entry into digital piano playing without compromising key feel. Its full-sized weighted keys replicate the resistance of an acoustic piano, allowing for dynamic control and expressive playing. The instrument is suitable for beginners and intermediate players who want a realistic practice experience at an affordable price. Sound quality is clear and satisfying, though it may lack the depth of high-end models. It includes multiple instrument voices, enabling experimentation beyond piano tones. The design is functional, featuring a music stand, sustain pedal, and portable footprint, making it practical for home use or small studios. While it's less robust than premium brands, the piano is easy to assemble and maintain. Features like dual headphone jacks, recording functions, and adjustable volume enhance usability, making it ideal for learning and casual performance.
List number 4. 88-key digital piano, semi-weighted electronic keyboard piano with music stand, power supply. This 88-key semi-weighted digital piano is a versatile option for beginners who want a balance between playability and affordability. While the keys are not fully weighted, they provide a comfortable tactile experience for learning scales, chords, and basic performance techniques. Its semi-weighted keys are responsive enough to support dynamic playing, though they may not fully replicate an acoustic piano's touch. The piano comes with a music stand, power supply, and sustain pedal, making it ready for immediate use. Built-in sounds and rhythms allow for experimenting with different genres, adding versatility to practice sessions. The design is straightforward and portable, making it suitable for students, casual players, or those with limited space. While it may not meet the expectations of professional performers, its functionality, ease of use, and affordability make it an excellent choice for learners or hobbyists.
List number 5. Best Choice Products 88-key weighted full-size digital piano. This model from Best Choice Products is another strong contender for those seeking an affordable, full-size digital piano. Its 88 fully weighted keys allow for expressive playing and realistic touch, making it suitable for learners and intermediate musicians. The piano supports multiple instrument voices, enhancing creative practice. Build quality is solid for its price range, with a functional design that includes a music stand, sustain pedal, and compact chassis. The sound engine provides clear tones suitable for practice, though it may lack the richness and resonance of high-end pianos. Connectivity features like USB and headphone outputs expand its usability, enabling practice in quiet settings and integration with music software. Overall, it's a reliable choice for those who need a full-size weighted piano without the premium cost, offering practical features for home use.